Hey folks, yep. This is my toaster oven. It is a Hamilton. Can you see that? It's a Hamilton Beach. This is not a promotion. I'm just telling you what I use. I ran across this at Walmart, and it's a great one. I like it. I've been had it over a year, and if it was to go out, I'd go get another one just like it. See here, you have a crumb tray at the bottom. Got a few crumbs down there. Then you have the drip tray. This is for like when you doing your. Oh, I need to do a little cleaning, don't I? Yeah, I've been using it. So hey, it's got a rotisserie on it. So there you go. That's what a drip tray is for. I just leave it in there, and it also has another rack where you can cook two 12-inch pieces. Most of them are just 9-inch, 6-inch, whatever. This is 12-inch. You can cook two 12-inches. You can do a rotisserie, and it's got a little fan on the side over there for its convection or air fry, if you will. Anyway, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna compare this to the Power XL that you see so many advertisements for. So let's go and do that. Here's the Power XL. You see advertised on TV. The Power XL. They got it in here for $139. Check it out. But you know what? Wow. Now you've seen the ad, so I don't have to tell you what all they claim it can do. I'm not trying to say what it can do and what it can't do. But this is the one I have. $74. This is the one that I have. Look how much bigger it is. I have to get back to look at it because it's a lot bigger. You can actually put a 12-inch pizza in here. You can put two of them in there. And it has a fan, and it also has a rotisserie. And it also has a crumb pan in it, and it has a drip pan for the rotisserie. It's a drip pan that goes in here for the rotisserie, probably in the box. So yeah, this one right here, you cannot put a 12-inch pizza in there. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Unless, you see what I'm saying right there? Unless you was going to put the bare pizza in there, you probably couldn't get it in there. See? Nah. Let's check this one out. Like that's about almost 14 inches wide. And it works good. I've had mine over a year. You can do a full-size chicken in there on the rotisserie. Two 12-inch pizzas. This is the one I've got. This is the one I've been doing. I'm going to attach some other videos to this so I can show you what I've done with it. But this thing right here, nah, it's not worth it. This one right here, it's worth every penny and then some. In fact, if this, I've had it a year, and if it was to go out on me, I would get another one just like it. That's what I'm talking about. Simple to use, it has all the features. It has a rotisserie. It has a fan. It has convection, bacon, rotisserie, and broil. It can go up to 2 hours, or you can make it stay on. There you go. That's what I'm talking about right there. How much is it? $74.84. That's the regular price. So there you go. Now you've seen a lot of the pans I cook with. Uh, I've had a lot of toaster ovens, and they came with pans, but they didn't last. The pans was great. I don't think quality equipment or good equipment needs advertising. And when somebody over advertises, I think there's a problem with the product. Anyway, that being said, all of the pans you see in this video are some pans that I got either from that little place I like to hang out, and or they came with ovens that I bought. But this right here, this is the oven here. This is the oven. So, hey, check it out. It does fries. Check that out. Texas toast. Pizza. Hamburgers. Biscuits. Bacon and sausage.